What did you have for dinner last night? Chances are there weren't enough omega-3 fatty acids in there. Omega-3 fatty acids are among the most studied nutrients in the world, and many public health organisations strongly advise a sufficient amount of them in our diet. In nature, omega-3 fatty acids come from oily fish like tuna, mackerel and salmon. But the fish stocks are insufficient. There are simply not enough fish to feed the growing world population. But fortunately, there is an alternative: algae. Algae are the natural diet for oily fish, but currently only 1% of omega-3 comes directly from algae. That's why DSM creates Vitaliz Omega, a sustainable algae-based and vegetarian capsule that contains both DHA and EPA, a first for the world.